Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your user ID in HubSpot. Whether you're setting up integrations, troubleshooting access issues, or configuring advanced settings, knowing where to locate your user ID is essential for managing your HubSpot account properly. This quick guide will show you exactly where to find it in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account for which you need to find the user ID, as this information is unique to each individual user within HubSpot. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see either your account name or a profile icon, depending on your HubSpot setup. Click on this element to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu serves as your gateway to account settings and personal information within the platform. Once the drop-down menu appears, you'll see several options related to your account and profile settings. Look for an item that's labeled something like account or a similar identifier related to your user profile. This section contains all the key details about your individual account within the HubSpot system. Here's where you'll find what you're looking for. Directly under your name in this section, you'll see your user ID displayed. This unique identifier is what HubSpot uses to distinguish your account from others in the system, and it's particularly useful when you're working with APIs, setting up custom integrations, or when HubSpot support needs to help you troubleshoot specific issues. Make note of this user ID or copy it down if you need it for configuration purposes. And there you have it, you've successfully located your user ID in HubSpot. This simple process gives you quick access to one of the most important identifiers in your HubSpot account, allowing you to proceed with whatever integration, setup, or support task you need to complete. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.